Good morning mga Bebs, this is your Ilocanong vlogger, a day in my life as a content creator at the age of 98. English voiceover version! Hello mga Bebs, for today's videos we were going to somewhere. Okay, sabana ka dating English voiceover version nun. So the first thing that I do is I get my Raptor, of course my Raptor. Why not? And I'm with Ate Crystal and Michelle. So we were going to Pidigan. So we go to Pidigan to buy a pizza. Okay, sabana dito yun. What? Since there's always someone requesting me around this, like this something, is this Tagalog? Okay na ito yun.
Oh no!
So we are now at the Pangtud. I love Pangtud though. Oh my god. Like, is this for real? So for today's videos, we were going to buy pizza and we ate at the I Love Pangtod like there's like there before. Yes, I parked my Raptor there. Oh my god, daming there. Dami yung there? Okay. So I parked my Raptor there and oh my god, my hair looks so messy, so I fix it and this is the final look. Oh my god, I look so yummy. Charot! So after parking my Raptor, we go now to buy a pizza. So we walk, it's just a walking standby. What? Walking standby, walking distance yun. So Michelle forgot her phone, so she go back to get it and she came back again, of course. Oh my god. And now she's laughing. Oh my god. And now we are now at our destination and there we were going to like buy over there. Oh my god, there. Dami yung there. Okay? On there. So ate is gonna going to cook now and then my friend is, oh my god, she's going to let me drink this.
Tempra daw?
Bading hindi yan tempra.
Tempra. Tempra. Gusto mo?
And now she will going to cook it now and it's so fire. Oh my god. Actually, mga Bebs, they are not only selling pizza, they are also selling rice.
Na maritas kayo, adi.
Ay,
Maramaritas dagay. Di luglugar yung gali da nga marites.
there's disco.
Something.
And now ate is already cooked the pizza, so I pay it. So after paying, I get the pizza and we are going to go. Yes. We have a change. Only 2 pesos. Oh my god, that is so sentimental values. So I get this. Oh, dami mong alam. So after buying pizza, we go to a convenience store or a mini mart to buy a drink. Di mo kaya yun. And mga Bebs, so we were going to convenience store. This is the store we were going to buy. So I went inside kasi yun. So we choose and grab our drink and I don't know what drink should I get. So we get. That's it. Uy, nyeta Brad. Carlos. Yolo.
Kontrad. Nya to. Konrad, kurat.
Magbabayad ng babae na to.
Pero
Matalino pero bobo. Hi Madam Kristen. May anglit ka ba?
Rexona.
Mag-Rexona ka. Ang daming mga pansit. Charot, hindi na to pansit na. And andito yung kapatid ko, guys. My sister. Nakakatawa. Guys, nakita kayong panglaban sa
Kung ikaw ay
kalaban.
maangin, magtawas ka.
Guys, itong kailangan nyo. Hindi yan. Boy! Boy bawang. Yung hotel? Yung hotel ng dito. Sogo. Since wala si Ate Angel, meron pala siya dito, guys. Hi, Angel. Di namin kasama ngayon sa Ate Angel. So isasama natin. Sa Ate Angel. Hi Ate Angel. Baka naman. Ang tang ay parang tang. Parang ikaw. Tang. Bebran, ano to? Adult na ba to? Wala, parang may, yung ano, Tourette syndrome ba yun? Guys, nakita ko pala yung jowa ko, guys. Andito yung baby ko. Yung baby ko. Hi, baby ko. So guys, nakabayad na kami. Let's go. Uy. After buying and making some jokes at the store, we go back now. And this is the drink that we bought or we buy at the store. And after buying, there's someone waving at me or us. Rather, yes. Hello. What? Vlog kami at ta. Hi. Yes. Auntie, bye. After that, we go back to where we parked my bus. Already. And now we were going to the I Love Pangtod before. Before that, we passed that. Yes, let's go. And now we are here at our destination, so I packed my Raptor. Yes, of course, my Raptor, bro. Wow! And now we are unwrapping our food, our drinks, and everything. Thank God.
Madam baby. Oh, AIDS.
Right.
Sino? Pero Bob.
Let's untie the pizza.
Oh, kahon.
Let's eat. Cheers.
Kaya ka lubo. Talo mag-gear na.
After eating, Michelle is humming. Yes, she put that on plastic, bro. And Michelle wanted to drive, but I don't want. I insist. Uy, di ba kaya rin? So we are planning to go to the plaza or the covered card at the Philippines and the major in Mindanao and Visayas, Luzon. Let's go. And now we are here at our destination again at the plaza of Piligan. So we go here to park and to play and also to enjoy our life, living things and everything our life. Mitena. Hi, Reyna Mitena.
Mula ngayon.
Ano, mula ngayon, ano?
Mula ngayon. Ako lang, kikilalanin nyo. Kikilalanin nyo.
And this is the view of our plaza. Di ba, busog siya. Look, mga bebs,
Thank you,
there's the
Lord.
clouds.
Heaven.
Oh my God.
Heavenly.
Hello guys, nakita ko si Tom.
Timaki.
Tomboy. Uy, Tom! Jerry dito! Wala, kabubuhan. Guys, hindi pala to si Tom. Jerry?
Jerry Otot.
Hindi ko kilala. Sino
Jerry
si
Mo.
Jerry? Jerry Mobile.
Cherry Mobile yun. Nene.
Uwi na kami, Bebs. Bye! Shell, thank you for watching.
Ay, oo.
And now mga Bebs, we're going home. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and follow. Bye! Kasalanan mo to, Catherine. Challenge ka.